Hello and welcome to the second video of soil. So in today's video we are going to talk about the profiles of soil and also about what is the type of soil which is found in India. Okay, first of all, profile of soil. So what is a profile? A profile is a vertical cross section of the soil which basically describes or shows the level, the sections or the horizons of the soil. Okay, so for example, if this is a soil profile, which area would be the most degraded or basically disintegrated? Which area would receive the highest level of weathering? Okay, it would be this region. Why? We know that when it's closer to the surface, it would be highly degraded, but the more it is away from the surface, it would be less degraded, right? It's very obvious because this region receives all the sunlight, all the heat, all the climatic factors which we described about in a few minutes. It faces the slope, the heat, the cool, everything. Okay, so whenever we talk about the soil profile, it's very important that we think about this. Okay, so let's start with the O horizon. The O horizon, also known as the organic horizon, is the region which contains all the dead and the decayed particles. Okay, whenever a leaf falls, it usually falls first on the O horizon. Okay, the surface, the area with all the grass. Okay, when a leaf falls, it first of all enters the O horizon. Okay, the O horizon is the topmost part of the soil, and after that comes the A horizon. At areas, the O horizon is not present. It is sometimes absent due to basically erosion or because it's very easily eroded. But because of this, the O horizon seeps into the A horizon humus. Humus is an important component which is important for the plant growth. Okay, it is very important because plant nutrients are present in there. Okay, so that is what is present in the A horizon, and this region is also known as the region of elevation. Elevation means the region from where it percolates to the next region. This area, the nutrients here gets percolated and deposited in the B horizon. The B horizon is made out of sand, silt and clay. These are the three important components which the B horizon is made of, and it's less nutrient rich, as not as much as A horizon, but during an erosion or water percolation, this region gets the most nutrients, right? And then there is the C horizon. The C horizon is the partially weathered rock, because you can see that this is already so much lower, right, away from the surface. What does it cause? It causes the C horizon to be away from any weathering or erosional processes. So it's not much weathered, but it's just weathered. Okay, it's starting to break down. It would convert into this or this in future, but not at the present moment, right? And the D layer is called the bedrock. This is not at all eroded or weathered. This is totally untouched, away from the maximum erosion of the earth. Okay, now that we talked about the soil profile, let us talk about the types of soil in India. Today we are just going to get an overview of the types which are found, and the next class we are going to start with the alluvial soil. So the first is alluvial soil. You have heard about the presence of alluvial soil, which is important for the crop production. Most of the part, actually the 45% of the earth's, actually of India's landmass is made out of alluvial soil, and most of the settlements are situated in the region of alluvium. Okay, the next is the black soil. If you remember closely, black soil is where volcanic eruptions are found. Though India does not have any volcano, it does not at the present moment, right? But there is the presence of black soil in the Deccan Trap. And this is the India. The black soil is abundantly found in this region and also in the regions of Gujarat. Okay, so it is important for the production of crops like cotton. Okay, then is the red soil. The red soil is due to the presence of iron. There is a high presence of iron in this, which causes the formation of red soil. Okay, and then there is the laterite soil. The laterite soil is made due to the leaching of various nutrients, which causes a lack of nutrient, which is called the laterite soil. Okay, so these are the types of soil and the soil profile which can be found in India, and the soil profile can be found on any particular soil. Okay, so thank you for watching, and in the next video we are going to start with the type of soil, alluvium. Okay.